everyone. Welcome to the School of Smart Thinking. Please watch the video till the end. Please subscribe to our channel and like it. Today we are going to learn the topic trigonometry. So here, what is a trigonometry? What are we going to learn in the trigonometry? So what is a trigonometry? The study of triangles. It's a relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle. So what do you mean by right triangle? A triangle which has 90 degrees is the right triangle. Understood? So what is the introduction to the trigonometry? In this section we are going to learn the topics sine, cosine and tangent. Opposite is the side opposite angle A. Adjacent side is the adjacent to angle A. Hypotenuse is the longest side of a triangle. Here we can see, here AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side, the longest side which I told you, AC, is the hypotenuse in the trigonometry. The right angle you can see the 90 degrees is represented here, opposite to the hypotenuse. Thank you. Please like to our channel and share it.